Hello, everyone. Today, I'm sharing Design Outsourcing Communication, WeChat or Lark. Suggestions for efficient project management tools. This is a step that many businesses often overlook when outsourcing collaborations, yet it's the most efficient. Because the reality is often, WeChat is convenient, Lark is also quite useful, but ultimately the collaboration slows down the process. You might think, is the communication too frequent? Or is there no suitable tool? But the truth is, if the platform is wrong, communication efficiency will never improve. First, the conclusion. WeChat is suitable for daily communication. Lark is suitable for project management. WeChat and Lark each have their advantages and disadvantages, but their functions do not overlap. WeChat. Suitable for instant communication and point-to-point contact, but not suitable for project management. Lark. Suitable for team collaboration and task tracking, but not suitable for instant communication. To improve efficiency, you need to clarify which information requires a quick response, which requires long-term tracking. 2. WeChat is suitable for daily communication, but not for organization and tracking. Many businesses and outsourcing teams initially use WeChat for communication, which seems convenient, but actually presents 3 problems. 1. Lack of task tracking. While WeChat allows sending voice messages and files, you cannot clearly see task progress, review past discussions. Without taking notes, it's easy to miss key information later, and even lead to repeated communication. 2. Lack of team collaboration features. WeChat is primarily for point-to-point communication, but if you have multiple outsourcing projects or cross-departmental collaborations, it's difficult to coordinate and unify progress. For example, which part of the design is completed? When is the deadline? Which designer is responsible for which task? WeChat easily becomes a tool for interrupting at any time, rather than true task management. 3. Too many messages, easy to miss. When there's a large volume of messages, information can easily get buried. When you want to find a specific decision or feedback, you might find yourself unable to scroll back. In WeChat groups, messages pile up, making it easy to lose key information. 3. Lark is suitable for project management, helping with task allocation and progress tracking. Lark is designed specifically for team collaboration. It helps you clearly assign tasks, track work progress, unified management of files and discussions. For outsourced design, Lark's advantages are clear task allocation. Each task has a clear responsible person, deadline, and progress tracking. Consistent file archiving and discussions. All design drafts, feedback, and discussions can be stored in designated channels, eliminating worries about loss. Centralized information management. You can easily access past communication and decision records, avoiding repeated explanations. IV. How to efficiently utilize the advantages of Lark and WeChat. Ideally, you can combine the advantages of both tools simultaneously. 1. Daily communication. WeChat. Use WeChat for instant communication and quick feedback, such as small questions that can be answered quickly, urgent or temporary adjustments and confirmations, discussions when there's no time for lengthy explanations. Advantages. Highly immediate, requires minimal structure. Reminder, it's important to remember that WeChat is only for quick communication, not task management. 2. Project management. Lark use. Lark to organize and manage tasks, progress, and feedback, such as design task assignment, checking and feedback at each design stage, task deadlines, revision rounds, and confirmation processes. Advantages. Clear task assignment and progress management. File storage and discussion log functionality for easy review and tracing. Reminder, Lark sometimes lacks the flexibility of instant communication, so a trade-off must be made based on your needs. V. How to efficiently manage design outsourcing projects in Lark? Managing outsourced design projects can be done using the following steps. 1. Establish a design project channel. In Lark, create a dedicated channel for each design project, and then create subtasks as needed. Main task: the overall design outsourcing task, such as main image design or detail page design. Subtasks: assign specific work content, such as identify selling points, confirm initial design draft, and provide feedback and revisions. Each subtask should have a clearly defined responsible person, deadline, and specific requirements. 2. Use the task function for progress tracking. Utilize Lark's task management function to ensure that each task has a clear progress schedule and timely follow-up. When assigning tasks, clearly define the task content and objectives to avoid ambiguity. In Lark, check the task progress to ensure that each task is completed on time. You can set reminders to avoid missing important work milestones. 3. Organize and archive all design files. Upload all design drafts, reference images, and discussion content to the Lark file library, ensuring all relevant personnel have viewing permissions. Ensure all design versions and documents are stored in the same location. All feedback can be recorded in the task discussion area for easy review and traceability. A practical example of efficient outsourcing management. Suppose you are collaborating with an outsourcing team on a product detail page design. You can organize it like this. 1. Create a product detail page design project channel on Lark. Main task: overall product detail page design. Subtasks: first screen design, selling point confirmation, initial design review, modification, feedback, final delivery. Each task has a clearly defined responsible person, deadline, and specific requirements. 2. Communicate urgent matters via WeChat. When making design modifications, quickly confirm minor issues. These do not involve task management. If urgent modification needs arise, provide quick feedback via WeChat. 3. Managing design drafts in Lark's file library. Upload initial design drafts, revised versions, and reference images to Lark's file library. Use Lark's discussion function for version confirmation and feedback, ensuring everyone can clearly see the progress. 7. A word of honesty for businesses that often mix and match tools, leading to inefficiency. Mixing tools actually increases communication costs. Reasonable division: WeChat for instant communication and quick feedback, Lark for task management and project tracking. When you clearly define the responsibilities of each tool, communication and collaboration efficiency naturally improves, and project progress can proceed in an orderly manner. In short, use WeChat or Lark for outsourced design communication. The ideal approach is WeChat for rapid communication, Lark for project management. When you use each tool correctly, work efficiency will significantly improve, and outsourcing collaborations will become smoother and more transparent.